Hey guys, it's almost back to school, but I'm sad. These play notebooks do not make me happy, but they're really cheap. They were 25 cents. I have a way to do a makeover for all of these plain notebooks. It's going to be unicorn style. So these are the two notebooks that we will style up. Here's what you need to do a makeover. First, with a pencil, draw a line up here for the unicorn horns. You can place it against the line. Eyelashes, 2 nostrils, and same with the other one. With the other one, I don't think you guys can see, but up close you guys can maybe see. So, I also got 2 unicorn horns, 1 gold and 1 yellow. And be sure that subscribe button is gray. You also need some flowers. You're going to put 4 flowers on the unicorn. You also need a glue stick. And a thin, ultra thin Sharpie to trace the eyelashes. First, take a notebook and glue a unicorn head. Also cut it out of cardstock. It's not made out of paper. And the unicorn horns are also made out of foam rubber sheets. So first, with the glue stick, you are going to glue this like this. You have to make sure that the unicorn horn fits. So don't put it up here or down here. Just smack in the middle for enough room to put the unicorn horn. You're just going to glue the back side of your cardstock. And guys, watch this till the end because I hope this video gets a lot of views. And just glue it right here. Okay, that is enough. We're going to make one first, and then we'll do the other one with this one, the yellow. And then you're going to take a unicorn horn, glue on the back, because I chose glittery foam rubber sheet, and just put it against the line carefully. There we go. Guys, don't forget to like this video, but don't do it yet. Because we're going to see if you can hit the like button with your elbow in 5 seconds, and also don't hit the notification bell yet. You guys have to subscribe because you also have to hit the notification bell with your elbow. So in 5 seconds, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Be sure you subscribe if you also subscribed with your elbow. Be sure to comment #backtoschool. And you're going to get 4 flowers to cover. Let's just get a pink and purple and another pink and another purple. Exactly like this. Let's just glue a backside of one flower. Just make sure you do it carefully. Let's just glue it on. And if it doesn't work for you, you can use school glue. School glue is more powerful than the glue stick. Oh my gosh, it's almost out. Let's just take this one back. Oops, let's just get another of these flowers because we got too much. Just put one on here. And then we're going to put a purple one on. And a drop of glue is enough, just a dab. Like that. And you can spread it if you want with your finger. Let's just get one more dab of glue, just in case. There we go. Let's just put it on. We're going to put it on a unicorn horn so it does not show. Okay, let's just remove these and put them on top. Okay, so let's just keep on going. Keep going. And now it's for the final one. Just take a purple one again. 2 dabs. Because you're going to have to spread one. And then spread another one. All over the flower. We will make a part 2 of it. So it's just a good way. If you mess up, it's fine. Everybody messes up once in a while. Okay, so here we have some flowers on a unicorn horn. And now it's just time to trace it out to your eyelashes with a Sharpie. Ultra thin. Just be careful, please, or you could really mess up. Carefully, like that. Do the same thing on the other side. And make sure there are 6 lines on your eyelashes. But before we do the rest, I want you guys to click over here so that it's going to be the video. How about how to draw a baby unicorn? Yes. I can't believe I forgot that one. It was my first video. I really hope you guys just subscribed. And also share this video with your friends and family. That would mean a lot to me. And also, if you do share, comment that you did share. No more hashtags, so there's going to be one hashtag a video. Or just no hashtags at all. So, and there will be more videos once you subscribed and shared all of my videos. Number 1 is complete. Number 2, we'll start here. Here is the eyelashes of this one. You also have to do the same things as the other one. And be sure that you just be careful with the glue stick. Also, just keep on gluing. Tap in the corner right over here for another video that will be called DIY Ice Pop. You're making your own. Just glue it in the middle. Now take the unicorn horn and glue it. Whoa, it's so glittery. Next, just take your flowers and do the same exact thing that we did in the last video. With school glue, Elmer's. We'll start it all over how you're going to glue it. 1 dab, spread. 2 dab, spread. Just glue it on the unicorn horn. Exactly like this. Just take pink and purple flowers. I got these at Hobby Lobby. Just do the same thing with all the flowers. It looks like we need to get more glue on this one. Perfect. You can just rub your hands and then the glue will come off. Now time to trace. Be careful. Okay. Wait, we almost forgot to do the nostrils. That looks perfect. Here is the other one. I hope you guys really like these. We only just do this one because I have an idea to make this one look good too. Just not in a video. I really hope you guys love this video and be sure to give a thumbs up. Also tap on my circle for more. It's Raquel V Kawaii. So, and you can see all the amazing videos that I have created. And whenever you reach them, be sure to do a hashtag. I did it. So, don't forget to subscribe, hit the bell, like, and comment down below. And go to the videos unsuggested before this video ends. Bye!